If you wish to install Mac, but looking for a compatible laptop, then look no further. Cause today we brought you the 5 best laptops that you can turn into a Hackintosh device. As you probably know, you cannot install Mac on any devices. There are few requirements that have to be fulfilled before you can go ahead and install Mac on your non-Apple devices. Keep in mind that using Hackintosh for business purposes goes against Apple's EULA. Without going into technical details, let's get into it. Number 1 on the list is Acer Predator 17 gaming laptop. This laptop comes with a 17.3 Full HD G-Sync display. Pretty huge display for a laptop if you ask me. Since you are gonna use Mac on this device, I doubt you're gonna take full advantage of that G-Sync part. Moving on, the laptop has a 7th generation Intel Core i7-7700HQ processor, up to 3.8 GHz, inside it. Pretty decent processor. An NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 with 8 GB of dedicated GDDR5 VRAM, 16 GB DDR4 memory, 256 GB SSD RAID 0, 1 TB HDD. Some pretty powerful hardware going on. You won't have any issues in terms of performance. See, this laptop has two 128 GB SSD instead of one 256. So you can run 2 different OS if you wish to. You can take full advantage. The design of the laptop screams gaming pretty loudly. The RGB keyboard with highlighted WASD and arrow keys, the red-colored speaker grills, cutting-edge design, and robust build. Pretty nice build quality. So expect it to be heavy. This is a laptop computer, but you want to use it on a table for comfort. When it's running at full speed it gets warm, but the lap portion remains relatively cool. Using the overclocking options, the most heat came from the rear away from the lap and even away from the keyboard. Even graphic-intensive games were run very smoothly at ultra settings. A good device to install Mac on. Number 2 in the list, Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Extreme. Comes with a 15.6 LED backlight, 1920 x 1080, Full HD display. The specs of the laptop are Intel Core i7, 8th Gen, 8750H 2.2 GHz, 4.1 GHz, 9 MB cache, comes with pre-installed Win 10 Pro 64-bit. 512 GB, M.2 SSD TCG Opal Encryption 2, NVMe storage option. The laptop comes with a 1080 Ti graphics card. It's a powerhouse. Those who used the card before knows just how much it can lift. The laptop is very thin and lightweight. The bezel is small as well. Razor blade design, with a nice red line hue on the trackpad. Looks very good on it. If you prioritize portability. From multi-monitor support to a rich VR/MR experience, to gaming, the ThinkPad X1 Extreme handles demanding computing tasks without a hitch. Built with extreme power, specs include powerful processors, amazing graphics, and a great amount of memory space. Lenovo has taken ThinkPad to the extreme. The ThinkPad X1 Extreme includes Intel-registered Thunderbolt Trademark 3, the technology that brings lightning-fast data transfer, plenty of information to USB-C. Connect a cable from your USB-C port to a Thunderbolt 3 enabled device and get fast the data and the video bandwidth of any other port type, while also supplying power. So you get Thunderbolt, USB data transfer, and DisplayPort all rolled into one. Number 3 on the list is Razer Blade 15 base gaming laptop. If you have used any laptops or any devices from Razer, you know that Razer products don't disappoint. It always delivers what it promises. Intel Core i7-10750H6 core, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti, 15.6 FHD 1080p 120 Hz, 16 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD. The laptop has a 120 Hz 15.6 Full HD thin bezel display. All these specs will help you to run multiple OS with no problem. This laptop will handle heavy tasking or multiple tasking like a breeze. I have always liked the look of Razer laptops. Simple, unique, minimal, but aesthetically pleasing nonetheless. The CNC aluminum unibody frame houses incredible performance in the most compact footprint possible, while remaining remarkably durable and just 0.78 thin. The RGB keyboard is a great addition if you take the time to really configure the different lighting options for each app. Some issues to be talked about: it gets hot. I cannot use it on the bed/lap while playing any casual game. The temperature is okay/mildly uncomfortable for browsing the internet though. The proprietary charger port seems to be designed to be a tight fit, which makes you feel you are scratching the aluminum. Sometimes you are. Speakers are bad, super bad. I didn't expect them to sound good, but they are not useful for anything else but conferencing. Expensive. Here you are paying for a simplistic gaming design, premium materials, and awesome thermal performance on a thin laptop. Number 4 on the list, Lenovo ThinkPad T480. Comes with 14-inch HD, 1366x768, anti-glare, LED backlight, 220 nits, 16:9 aspect ratio, 400:1 contrast ratio, integrated Intel UHD graphics 620, supports external digital monitor via HDMI or USB Type-C, supports 3 independent displays, max resolution 4K. Runs on 8th generation Intel quad-core i5-8250U1. 60 GHz processor, max turbo 340 GHz, 4 cores 8 threads, 6 MB smart cache. On the memory department, 16 GB DDR4 RAM, storage, Toshiba 256B PCIe NVMe 2242 M2 SSD, seal is broken for upgrades only, professional installation service included. Intel Wireless 8265 AC, 2x2, plus Bluetooth V4. 1. Fingerprint reader, HD 720p webcam. With the fast 512 storage option and 16 GB of RAM, running multiple OS wouldn't be a problem. And multitasking on it will be as easy as it gets. Although it cannot be used in any kind of graphic-intense task for the lack of a dedicated graphics card. Otherwise, if you just want to use Hackintosh on it and develop apps and whatnot, it shouldn't be much of a problem. I personally don't like the design of this laptop. The huge bezel on the top and round buttons and weird positioning are not something I would buy if I wanted to code on this laptop. And let's talk about the half arrow keys. I have never in my Li9 liked these kinds of designs. Arrow keys are used for many cases, so a full-size arrow key is expected. If you think that the arrow key isn't an issue, you can go ahead and buy the laptop. All the specs are top-notch and very good value for the price. Number 5 on the list is Asus Chromebook Flip C436. We always try to keep a convertible laptop in case someone is looking for it. This one can be turned into a tablet if you wish to. Even though you cannot detach the keyboard, you can rotate it all the way. The specs of the laptop are 14 touchscreen FHD 4-way Nano Edge, Intel Core i3-10110U, 128 GB PCIe SSD, fingerprint, backlit KB, Wi-Fi 6. Not the best hardware that you will find at this price, but remember, thighs is more than a laptop. Has a touch interface, meaning if you want to test your apps, you can. That's a huge advantage in my opinion. So you already kinda know that you won't be using multiple OS on it because it has only 128 GB of SSD storage options. I mean, you can technically use multiple OS, there's no one stopping you by it won't be optimal and all that. 14-inch touchscreen Full HD 1920x1080 4-sided frameless Nano Edge display around each side of the display that allows for a 14-inch screen to fit in the body of a 13-inch laptop footprint. The Full HD display has a durable 360-degree hinge that can be used to flip the touchscreen display to the tent, stand, and tablet mode. The device itself is very thin and lightweight, so carrying around won't be an issue. The only problem is, some of the unit has some touch delay issue, I'm sure this is not the case for every unit.